Uttam Kumar, real names Arun Kumar Chatterjee. He was the legendary and great actors and directors and producers who always revered by the visitors and touch the hearts of all persons, and who was the great actors and all-time memorable in the hearts. Prasenjit Chatterjee is a great and legendary actor. His acting is fantastic and is very famous. He all time touch our hearts, and his acting performance is very touchable in hearts of all visitors. Other paragraph. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23 January 1987. His birthplace is Kotak in Odisha. He was the mysterious student, and his great dream was the independence of our India. He always involved the struggles to freedom this country. His main purpose that was leaving the British rules and freedom this noble India. So he was stay at the jail again and again, and then he was trying in the foreign country to freedoms our India. He was the legendary and great leaders, and he was the patriotic. He was the first mayor. He always told that you give me blood, I give you freedom. Book is our best friend. Book teach us to the behavior and knowledge. It is the source of knowledge, and we have been getting the all instructions in the book. So we should be studying to the books to achievement this knowledge. Butterfly has colorful wings and it looks beautiful. It has 4 wings and 6 legs. It lays out each burns out the eggs, and it is the intelligent insect. Honeybee is the insect and it makes beehive. The queen of honeybees has capacities the leadership of the honeybee. They are very conscious and carefully to their comb. Apple is a red color, nutritious and delicious food. It gives us protein and vitamins and minerals. Apple's colors red and it is very tasty and sweet fruit. Crow is a black color bird. It is a natural bird and its feathers and wings are black color. It has a sharp beak and it is very easy to eaten the hard food. And it is the sweeper bird. A sparrow is a little bird and colors grey or brown. Its main food grain, insects and seeds. The sparrow finds the shelter of the humans. Rice is a popular corn. It is very popular food for us. It obtains from the paddy and its makings the boiling waters. It goes up the weathers. These weathers are hot and wet climates. How you making say orange juice? At first, I sell to the orange from the markets and choose its better and cut pieces and wash. Then peel the orange and remove seeds and put it into the juicers and switch on the both. Then liquid orange juice are separated and poured into the bottles. Spoken English. Give me razor, take your pen, look at me, brush your teeth, have a shower. Look at the TV, wash your mouth, I have lost my umbrella, I have bought a new watch. Why are you weeping? The birds are flying. Why are you worried? When will you come with me? He is very serious for his studies. I miss you. Conversation. When will you come here? I come here before 30 minutes. Horse, wake up. I am going on. What is going on your studies? It is better. What is your hobby? My hobby? I like studying different books and of time I like to watch the TV program. What is your favorite food? Chicken biryani. What is your favorite colors? My favorite color is blue. Mango is a yellow color fruit and it is very delicious fruit. It is our national fruit and nutritious and delicious fruit. It gives us protein, energy and minerals. We like to this natural fruit. The sun gives us light. The sun rises in the east and sets on the west, so it is very possibly and easily to survive us for the sunlight. Parrot. The parrot's feathers and wings are green and it has a curved beak and two legs and is main like he will eat grain and vegetables. They can success to copy the man's talking. The peacocks are various colors, violet, green, blue. It has a comb and is like beauty when they are dancing. It has two legs and it looks very beauty and naturally bird. It has a nice beak and colorful wings.